Good morning, students. Welcome all of you again in this English core class. So today in this writing skill, I'll start a new topic in business letters, complaint letters, a letter of complaint. Okay. So the first question is, what is a business complaint letter? You should know. So before start, I'll discuss. A business complaint letter is written to address a problem, yes, to address a problem and to find out the solutions to that problem. Addressing the problem and find out the solutions to that particular problem. The problem is written generally about a service, product, goods. Okay, so today we'll practice one complaint letter. So the questions you will get like that, your center's address will be given, you are, okay, that name will be given, you are, and then your address, suppose I am taking M111, a town, Ambala. Write a business complaint letter to the manager, XYZ Electronics, Pushp Bihar, Ambala, about a Samsung mobile phone that you had bought, okay, or I am taking a TV set. Suppose today's example will solve a TV set which you had bought, Samsung company, from your shop against the receipt number or the bill number, and then suddenly you found that it creating a problem. So this is your complaint letter. You bought a TV set and found that it's not working properly. So you start writing a complaint letter to the manager XYZ Electronics, Pushp Bihar, Ambala. Sender's address definitely will get in the question. Let's start then. Again I will separate the point, okay, all the points. So first start with sender's address. Sender's address I have got in the question. B town, Ambala, second line, 2 lines sender's address, okay, then leaving 1 line gap, date, May 2021. Next, receiver's address, so the designator that would come first, name of the particular shop or the company, and next the address. So start with the manager, first line, second line would be the name of the shop or the company, XYZ Electronics, and the third, Pushp Bihar, Ambala. Okay. Next, subject statement that we know as a value point. What would be my subject statement? Complaint against defective TV set. Subject must be in a single line. Okay. Next would come the salutation, leaving one line gap again here. Salutation. I will start the intro. Okay, that I discussed several times, that every letter has its own start, intro, and then conclusions, body part. It varies according to that particular letter. So this is complaint letter. How to start? You definitely will write that way, that something to be brought to the kind notice, to your kind notice. You are pained, you are bringing that particular problem, addressing the problem. This is very important. So that way we will start. So I am pained, this is my intro, I am pained to bring to your kind notice, about the poor quality of the product. A TV set within bracket Samsung company. So this is your introduction. Write that much only. Pain to bring to your kind notice about the poor quality of the product. That means addressing the problem. Okay. Next, that to be followed is my body part. Okay. So in body part, first I will write, body again will divide into two para. First one, my first body. Okay. What will write here? That yesterday I had bought a TV set. Okay, a TV set. Yesterday I had bought a TV set. Right here in the bracket Samsung from your shop against receipt number, model number, any one. Suppose I am putting here, for example, 2430159. Okay, this is my receipt number, model number. Or 11th May you are writing that complaint letter, so you put back date 9th May. This is your body 1, the detail about the product that I will write in the body number 2. So here I have covered that when you had bought, shop, receipt number, model number and date. Okay, these are my value points which I have covered. So, what would be that you can say that value points that I will arrange after that, helping points. This is purchased, where, when, model number, receipt number, bill number. These are my first body that I will cover the value points. Okay. My second body, body number 2, body 2, para 2 here according to the body. Okay. So, after that in body 2, I will write the technical complaints. This is very important, technical complaints. So, I will write here, soon after installation the picture quality turned bad. Definitely first problem, turned bad. At least 3 problems I will write here, turned bad. Even the sound quality you can write, definitely. Second, even the sound quality is miserable. And the third point I can continue, and the screen goes black. And so on. So, the 3 problems, sound quality, picture quality and the screen, you can write 3 problems you should address here, you should write. This is very important in body number 2. Then my conclusion part will come. So, what would the value points which I have covered here, which are definitely very important. What are the value points that I have covered? You have to write one by one. So, I am just putting a note, okay, in my body part, so that you will be able to understand what I have covered in body 1. Just note as a value point in body 1. Purchased. Number 2 point, where. Number 3 point, when. Number 4 point, model number, receipt number. Number 5, date. These are the value points you have to cover. So, I have written purchased, okay, that shop, model number, receipt number I have covered here, where, that shop, which shop, date, when also. So, these details are required, you have covered in body 1. Body 2, what will write? Technical complaints, okay. This is what? Okay, second this one, this is your technical complaints. Next, conclusion part. What will write conclusion part? I request you to replace the set the set having measurable defects and install, better this one, install, okay, and install our new tested TV set. Tested TV set at the earliest. Okay. Being your loyal customer, you can write this one. Being your loyal customer, for decades, long time, since long time, my problems what you can write, my problems will be given, definitely good relationship, long customer, long time since, will be given top priority. Okay, comma, but you must write failing so, this is very vital point, failing so, what will write, I shall be forced okay, to approach the customer care for what? You will go for redressal, very important term, REDRESSAL. Redressal means what? That redressal what? Redressal means compensation for any bad product, wrong product, compensation, redressal. Okay. So after that we will write thanking you. Okay. Then what is that name given? Whatever that will write. Okay, that name and here the signature. Suraj Roy. That signature will be followed here. Then the whole letter, whatever is written, I will close the box. Total letter will be in the box because this is formal letter. The whole letter must be in a box. Do in a pencil, okay. A boxed, you will draw in pencil. This is your complaint letter. So second body is all about what? A technical complaints. First one, that purchased, okay, the details, where, when, date, everything. Okay, so this is complaint letter. Then again that parameter 1 plus 2 plus 2, 1 for format, 2 for content and 2 for expression. Okay, this is business complaint. Another formal complaint we will practice next class. Thank you students for being with me. Have a nice day. Bye.